Who wouldn't like to look great for their wedding? I love treating brides because they really want to go for a great appearance, and I can deliver that, which is great.
Me llamo Sandra Brambilla y soy ama de casa. El tipo de tratamiento que me hice fue diseño de sonrisa, porque ya estaba próxima mi boda y porque yo quería llegar con mi sonrisa el día de mi boda.
I loved Sandra's case because she was unconfident whenever she was smiling before.
Yo tenía mis 4 dientes de enfrente, los tenía muy pequeños, de nacimiento, pequeños.
And we proposed to her a set of veneers for us to improve her smile. So we corrected some things that needed to be corrected. We improved the position, we improved the color, and the result was outstanding.
Sí, feliz. Y les mandé las fotos.
With those results, she was very much confident on their day. With that smile, she was radiant.
No lo cambiamos al Dr. Castro. Claro, 100% recomendable.
Correcting colors, sizes, and shapes and position gave us a composition that it was to die for. She was very proud of her smile. I was proud of that too.